Dearest gentle viewer, following Her Ladyship's most elegant debut, the Tan now eagerly awaits reports of her performance in the field. Before we commence Her Ladyship's trials, let us briefly revisit her distinguished lineage. And now, dear viewer, the trials begin. Her Ladyship begins with a test of raw strength and performs most admirably indeed. In the arena of Apex Legends, Her Ladyship moves with a swiftness that leaves the tongue whispering. Even amidst the chaos of Counter-Strike, Her Ladyship remains perfectly composed. Night City challenges even the finest debutantes, yet Her Ladyship maintains her poise. With a touch of modern enhancement, Her Ladyship's performance blossoms most dramatically. In the lively world of Fortnite, Her Ladyship dances across the battlefield with unviable energy. Even under the most extravagant conditions, Her Ladyship perseveres with grace. Thus conclude Her Ladyship's trials. Until our next report, dear viewer, I remain Lord BuildVenture.